Customer relationship management is more crucial than ever now. As companies become more technologically distributed and user interaction becomes increasingly rare, we must cultivate and sustain connections with our users. A business without a head is not approachable or appealing. It must work harder to bridge the gap between acquiring and maintaining consumers. A customer's bond with the business is frequently the basis for why they remain. In a culture where data is safeguarded, consumers are educated and express their freedom. CRM is hard to come by. This is evident as rivals are one click away. Customer relationship management is a client-centered strategical approach that focuses on building lengthy, deeper connections. CRM does not require immediate financial success. The value of a customer's profitability is important to everything. The potential transactions they'll complete, the favorable word of mouth they'll spread, and the loyalty they'll exhibit to your business. CRM that works well allows firms to inform overall company objectives, control business operations, promote development, and maximize returns. Many customer relationship management practitioners rely on a basic model to assist them effectively. In several ways, this encapsulates the essence of CRM. A CRM model is a system for managing client relations from acquisition until maintenance. Peppers and Rogers created the IDIC model. According to this approach, businesses must do 4 activities in order to create, maintain, and retain long-term connections with clients. Identifying, distinguishing, interacting, and customizing entails segregating people, tailoring material and contact for such groups, and improving future conversation strategy. This approach assists in assessing client needs and expectations to quantify the future benefits they can offer to the company. This enables the marketing and sales sector to focus their efforts on valuable and long-term consumers. First, a corporation must determine who is a legitimate client and must have an extensive understanding of its consumers. It is not only essential to be knowledgeable about your consumers, but it is also crucial to learn more about them in order to accurately grasp them and manage them effectively. Distinguish your consumer based on 2 factors: importance and need. Assess your customers to determine which ones are delivering the most value today and which ones have the most potential. Provide greater value to consumers who generate greater value for your business. Distinguish your consumers based on their requirements. Distinct clients have different demands, and providing them profitably necessitates a greater understanding of those needs. The organization must place a priority on consumer engagement. This is to guarantee that you grasp the customer's requirements and their engagement with the business. The organization must assess customer interaction based on their demands and the worth that they provide you. Direct interaction with clients creates the impression that the firm cares about them and desires to assist them individually. Especially, these activities increase consumer loyalty and assist the organization in developing long-term partnerships. When you distinguish your clients based on their beliefs and wants, you must then design your product to fulfill their requirements and principles. Tailor the offering and messaging to guarantee that clients' expectations are satisfied. The Interact to Personalize feature informs clients about your capability to supply their requirements. Difficulty in the 3rd stage indicates a problem with the 2nd or subsequent stages. So, go back and review the previous stages once more, looking for more and rearrange them. In any case, CRM strategies cannot succeed without data. A customer relationship management approach is effective when you understand who the client is and what they seek from you. Just before your potential becomes a client, you may start collecting data. The first stage is to feed the prospect's characteristics to the item or service. However, data is useless unless it is analyzed and acted on appropriately. Moreover, data may be transformed into findings through assessment. Then it can be used to drive the different CRM processes and even the company altogether. A successful CRM program starts with information on the consumers, such as their desires, motivations, and level of activity. This material is frequently required to be researched. If the firm has a database, you may obtain an idea by surveying, focus group discussions, or dipstick telephone study. Data can provide you with such information. It allows a business to provide real worth to its clients and therefore earn absolute loyalty. Conducting an insight study, examining the findings, and concluding that's fascinating without implementing suggestions made by the data is pointless. Consumers are also less inclined to participate in polls in the future, which is understandable given what's at stake. Clients will have more participation in the business and its product if you make significant improvements. Many touchpoints can obtain customer relationship management information. Hence, let's take a look at a few of the potential CRM data collecting and processing options. Each of these paths gathers a variety of data from whatever touchpoints the company considers relevant. This is the process of analyzing data to identify previously undiscovered patterns or correlations. This is used to gather information for purchases, assistance, and advertising purposes. These are used for websites as well as in social media and email campaigns. This is collected using specialized analytic apps. Many, if not all, digital advertising initiatives may be measured using these tools. Social media indicators exist to observe, evaluate, and analyze, and some of them might give helpful information for customer relationship management applications. Significantly, positive client relationships are essential to an organization's development. Usually, the expense of obtaining a new client is significantly more than the price of keeping a current customer connection. Above all, the cost of implementing a CRM communication strategy or system might be considerable. However, additional income frequently from repeat sales cover these expenses. For more digital marketing knowledge, watch one of these videos. Or why not both? How about you? How is your customer relationship management? Let us know in the comments below.